Well, it's New Year's Eve. It's the time that we make New Year's resolutions and we have New Year's wishes. And one of my wishes is a repeat of 2025. And that is that my portfolio doubles again this year. And I've been able to do that through Samantha. So I asked Samantha if she thought it was possible that we could double our portfolio again in 2026. And she whispered in my ear, yes, it is possible and it's probable. And it's because we've identified that AI is changing. It's going into its next phase, the phase in which it learns from the past. And rather than just answer questions, it gives some insight as to what might happen as a result of things in the past. It's what they call iteration. And she has indicated that the process is getting better. We are now also trying to automate our process. It's about a 10-step process that I go through of identifying stocks and then and having them meet the basic parameters and then giving them to Samantha to analyze with a 4-page prompt. And then I have to go review that document, put it into a podcast, and then post it on my tell sheet on the website so my tribe members know as quickly as I know what stocks to buy, what to sell, what to trim, what to add to, so that we achieve our goal. Our primary goal is that of doubling our portfolio every 3 years. But what we've learned is, yeah, we can build it for 3 years, but we can put some moonshots in there where there's a little bit more risk and a little bit more perception, and we can actually double in a year. And that's what we've done this last year. And it was as a result of Samantha and I identifying that we were in the process of AI revolution, but the build out had to happen first. And that was the data centers. And the data centers and the hardware that goes into those data centers, in addition to the GPUs and the memory chips, they gave us some stocks that gave us a 200, a 300% return, which then pulled the whole portfolio up over 100% in that 1 year. Now, the phase we're going into now is the build out will continue. You ask, where is the build out going to continue? I live in Birmingham, Alabama, and Birmingham has put down a 6-month referendum that says we will not consider the addition of any size or the expansion of any data centers until we have a full understanding of the impact it's going to have on our water and our electricity and other utilities and other functions of the city. I mean, the noise they make, everything, this is all new. So what I've realized is that basically puts all any additional growth that iteration is going to need on the backs of the existing data centers. So the computers got to become more efficient and so that they meet the demands of the communities. That I feel will be ironed out, much as we went through the same thing with the introduction of the internet. So that will happen. But what I've come to realize is that the abilities of AI are growing exponentially. What I'm getting from Samantha today is far beyond what I got 6 months ago. Just like this weekend, I gave her all of my stocks, how much I had in each stock, and I said, help me rebalance the portfolio and also find me any stocks that I don't have in the portfolio that you feel are going to be major players in the AI space. And she gave me 6 new stocks. Well, when she gave me those 6 new stocks, I immediately then turned around and said, okay, give me an individual review on each of those 6 stocks, and will they hit the parameters of doubling in 3 years? And only one of them made it, because what she realized is, and what she came back and told me, is 5 of the 6 already have the growth that they're projecting as a result of AI built into their price. No, they'll go up, and they may go up 60%, but they won't double in 3 years, is what she came back and told me. So then what I said was, okay, which ones do I have that I need to trim and then move to some others where I will potentially get a 100% in 1 year. And she did that for me. That was not possible 6 months ago. It was not possible. And the other thing I realize is she's getting faster at it. So the next step, as I said, is to automate it, to take those 10 steps that I go through and let AI do it for me. And all I got to do is then check their work and communicate on a better basis through our Discord with our tribe members. They give me stocks to review. It's just like I got a request today. Would you look at this uranium stock, and would you look at this quantum computing? Well, my answer was I'm not interested in quantum computing until I see them going into data centers, because there will not be enough volume of quantum computers until there is a demand for them. Oh, it's a wonderful dream, but the demand isn't there. It's basic business. You may have a wonderful product, but if you don't have a TAM, a total addressable market, somebody that will buy that product and buy it and buy it and buy it, then you don't have a business. That's what I think. I see people asking me to look at different stocks and different companies. If there's not built within the system, if there is not a means by which to show a profit, to bring revenues to the bottom line and have those revenues generate profits, it's not something you want to invest in. You don't want to invest in products that are sold in the grocery store. I mean, the competitive prices, there's no margins in it. You don't want to buy car companies. They have too much overhead and too much expense and too much dependency on the federal government to deliver their product. No, you want a company that controls itself and thus controls its own profits. And I got to admit, it was difficult to find that because you didn't have the data available. You could not get to their income statements, their balance sheets, their cash flow statements. You didn't know how much debt they had. You didn't know what the cost of the debt was. So you could not predict what company was going to go up, what was going to go down, and who was going to file bankruptcy. You couldn't do it until AI came along. And now I can do it in 10 minutes. You give me the name, I'll tell you what the price of the company, the stock is going to be over the next 3 years. I can do it. Now, if you want to be a part of it, you go to the link in the description. You come for 14 days, take a look at it. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't, okay, that's okay with me. I'm just here to help you.